Hey everyone, Ben here from Dream Team, and I'm going to give you a really quick explanation into all of the different functionality that Dream Team has. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to dive into each one more deeply because I want to do this as quick as possible. But it will give you insights into the potential of this platform. If you have any questions, reach out to support@dreamteam.app or sales@dreamteam.app. So what is Dream Team? We are a data analytics tool specifically dedicated to recruitment. We pull in all of the data that you have already populated in your ATS, and we provide you with easy comprehension and easy access to all of this data. You can take a report that used to take 3 hours to build and do it within 15 minutes. And let me show you how we do that. Well, you can always, this is our homepage. You can always create a new dashboard from scratch and start adding, or you can use one of our templates that have already been created in collaboration with a lot of our different customers. So let me just pull a random report as an example, and let's say source quality. I'm going to click on use the report, and automatically I have all of my data within 30 seconds. But let's say we wanted to customize it. Well, that is easy. I'm not actually interested in seeing number of hires, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. But more importantly, I want to start seeing more information. So I'm going to go into add insights. This is where you can see all of the insights that have been created. We broke it down into different categories: hires, withdrawals, pipeline, offers, etc., etc. And in each category, you can see subcategories such as volume, quality, and speed. And this can help you pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, or you can always search. You can see all of the insights based on hires. Going back, let's say I was interested in seeing our pipeline right now. So I want to see step duration, how long it takes us in each specific step. Well, I can go ahead and add that. Obviously, everything is customizable. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw that to the top. And as you can see, immediately we can pinpoint the specific areas that we have our biggest bottleneck. We can always click into them, see exactly who it is, where they currently are. We can go even further and see all of the information that has to do with them. I can also filter based on a dashboard level or an insight level. Let's say all of these sources, I only was interested in seeing the R&D department. Well, just like that, I can do it. I can also say 12 months back, or I can actually say only last year. I can go ahead and say that. And as you can see really quickly, all of that information populates. I can also say specific insights. I want to see different types of information. So this is number of applications by source category. And I only want to see it for a job that is backend engineer. Well, just like that. And I'm actually going to go change the name and say backend. And just like that, you can have all of that information customized and populated. Everything is customizable, move things around like I showed. Everything can also be shared externally, right? Meaning if you have a hiring manager, just as an example, C-level executives that want to see this information, you don't necessarily want to give them access to everything. You can share this specific dashboard. They can play around with it. It's updated live, which means you only need to send it to them once, and they can always see that type of information. This is the main bread and butter of Dream Team, and what we do, we allow access to data that you would never have had access to before, and we allow it in a very easy and comprehensible manner. Again, this is just surface level of the different possibilities that we have, but we have a lot of other functionalities, such as interview scheduling. You want to schedule an interview for the backend engineer, specifically for the second technical interview. Well, over here, we can see who has the qualifications to pull in to conduct an interview. We can say how many interviews will be conducted by this week by person and next week. And that way we can start seeing if one person is overloaded where someone else is being underutilized. And you can start distributing more evenly. We also have other awesome features like My Task. This allows you to see which candidates are stuck in a process for too long, who's fallen through the cracks. In this specific situation, Kate has been 25 days from the phone screening recruiter. Either we need to proceed or we need to reject, but a decision needs to be made, especially after 25 days. And we can do the same thing for the total process, right? In this specific situation, Mari has only been 7 days from the last process, but in total 53 days, that's way higher than what our KPI and our goals are. Obviously, everything is customizable and filterable. We also have candidate experience. get insights from the candidates. We have quantity, we have all of the data from the ATSs already, but let's see how the candidates actually experience it themselves. How did they experience the process, and what recommendations do they give to improve? Well, you can use your our customizable candidate experience exactly for that. Finally, we have D&I. Understand exactly where you are regarding your hiring diversity goals, and see it at just as easily as this. This is just surface level of all of the functionalities and capabilities that we have. It is a highly complex and flexible tool to really give you the granular insights that you're looking for, but also the high level, just quick look of an eye to see where we stand. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, reach out to sales@dreamteam.app or support@dreamteam.app, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Enjoy.